right, welcome back. Now, when we last left, the Surron e-bike had just been delivered here to the house. Now, I got to give you a little bit of a background. Me and my boy Kenny here know nothing about how to like hook bikes up or do anything. I mean, this is like, I don't have a motorbike. I've never driven a motorbike. You know, my grandpa had a four-wheeler on the ranch when I was a kid, man, but that's like literally the extent of any kind of maintenance or building or any, I don't have any experience doing this is what I'm trying to say. Kenny, do you have any experience doing this?
I probably have about, no experience doing this.
Okay, so between the two of us, we have absolutely no experience doing this. So the goal is to see, can we put this together? Can we do it?
I think we can.
And the other challenge is, we watched one video earlier. I'm not gonna lie, I watched a video before I started talking all this shit. This guy's using like torque stuff. I don't have any of that. I'm just gonna be honest. Kenny, do you have any of that with you?
All I got is a bottle opener and my wine opener, because you know what I do.
Okay, he's a bartender, so all he has is a bottle opener. So, long story short, we are only gonna try to use the tools that were furnished to us in the box. So, let's find out. All right, time lapse on. Yeah. All right, so we've run into our first obstacle literally right away. I had to go retrieve a pocket knife because we will need that, I believe, to try to get into the box. We're gonna need something to get into the box. All right. Yeah. Okay, with pretty much no experience whatsoever and taking a break and a lot of goofing off, as y'all can probably see from the time lapse, we've done it in in an hour and 22 minutes, and literally, I mean, it could have been done easily way quicker. I mean, do you agree? I mean, I was no help. I mean, he basically did it all by himself. I was dumping memory cards over here for another project that we're working on. But yeah, I mean, everything was pretty self-explanatory. We're not going to give like directions on how to put it together because we actually followed the video that Luna Cycles provides and tells you to go to. So basically, shout out to Luna Cycles. You guys have a great product, a great video to tell you how to build the product. And even a couple guys like us with absolutely zero experience. I mean, I can't stress that enough. If I can do this, and I really didn't do it because Kenny did it, but if the two of us can do it, I guarantee you it can be done. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, there you go.
See ya.
Calm it down now. He gone. He gone.